His Lordship, Honorable Chavez, and the Assistant RCC, Paul Katwire, who's also our spokesperson of PRU in Western Uganda, and Mr. Rampara, the owner of this venue. Mr. Rampara has built a new restaurant and is naming his restaurant Shade under Mosque Kainerugaba, and he has offered that restaurant Shade for all our PRU meetings. And he didn't stop at that. He served me and all of us lunch, and he has also provided the drinks. I want to thank the mayor for the progress in Mbarara City. Mbarara City is far different from how it used to be, but all this is due to the visionary leadership of the top man, the President of Uganda. On behalf of the young people of Uganda, Mayor, we want to thank you. Thank you, whoever you know. Mbarara looks better. Earlier in the day, we went to a bridge linking Mbarara City South to Katete region, Katete Bridge. The bridge is damaged. However, when I left the bridge, I spoke to the Minister of Works, General Katumba Wamala Edward, who confirmed that there is a budget for that bridge, and it is upon now Mbarara to look for the person who will build the bridge. But I've told them the President has empowered now UPDF. Probably they should try UPDF if they are not busy to come and jenga that bridge. On the other note, the people of Mbarara have confirmed and retaliated their support. One, for the current president and his government. Two, when he retires, they will go for Mosque Kainerugaba. So that is what the Mbarara people have said. However, I don't want to speak alone. I will ask the mayor of Mbarara to speak and our host to speak. Then the chair, assistant person, head of security, also to speak.
Honorable Minister, Mulwani wanje, Bahara, Ira, Mbarara City, we are very much happy and we congratulate you, by the way, for having been appointed the Minister for Youth. Thank you so much for coming. Nyendagarika kusima ukuija omusite yitu ukatushikaho kandi ukabasa kuganiraho n'abantu bamwe. Nyenda kusimira urutaya yoro wagiraho ahatindo rwa Katete no kuwashanga rudamejingire konka no kugaruka kuhameza ngo government etwire esente z'kwingana biliyoni 6.7 eziri kuzakora urutindo eziryo mu next financial year. Itwenka City tuliyoni tukwatanisa na Central Government Ministry ya Works kureba ngo twatunga the best contractor ukora urutindorwo kandi akarukora mbwire bugufu kandi kureba ngo abantu ba Katete babasa kugumiza muri inturuka yabo. So nyenda kusima umuganda guhataho confirminga na Minister Katumba kandi okumuza abantu tubamanyisa ngo sente zabo tuzikizire tuzikarirwe konkazi ryone zakwisha kandi nzakora umukuru. So nyenda kusima na umukuru assistant RCC umwana Katwire uriyo mwana waho kurira kandi ukagera NRM no kwagera Kainerugaba Muhozi my brother kandi ubundi kumanya ngo President Museveni yaba nare kuri kintu nakikwasa Muhozi kandi nitwe mkabantu tweteka tekire ukora na NRM PRU kandi na no kureba ngo Kainerugaba yakwata steering kurungi nitwe ntuje kubata mu ryo rwaje tumwine kandi tukuhaje. So mwebale munongo kuja
tufunye kama uli yeto nako rencha abantu be Katete bagenda kugalawa amaduka be Karakase message joba wereza
aba Katete ekyo kubanza kyabyona aba Katete nimbashaba okuguma ahamaduka gani mwawurira program za government zo korutindo ukuziri utestamire akana mwazaho no mwakwe Karakasa progress y'urutindo negumiza munegendera umateka gani mbwene kikuru cyabyona mugiro kugumisiriza sente bariyona bazakutwereza kandi umurimo guriyona gusafitana mu maduka ganyu mukore nkaburijo mugiro kugumisiriza tukurabiranya mitanga rero urutindo rwanyu ruzakorwa kurungi ahabwo kuba government yaye committee korora urutindo
Kampala shoots kandi umwanya ugora izuba minister yatera mu stamp yagwigura kuba ishazi ya PRU kandi nyenda ko oso kwebaza munonga katiho tumota kamwika director wa Pursuits aboko yo mwanya ugu kabo mwanya bw'ikiganiro cya PRU kandi abo again nyenda kumusima munonga abo bagize batana Tereza no bagize kwahagire NRM ugu wa mushara handa naha NRM muri mu ndaneshaga mali amana PRU kandi ikindi nangina no kamera abantu bakatete since we have known kugira ngo twamanya ngo sente of course hona we minister kwiyaka yatuyamba yagama na minister wo byenguto kora bitu byenguto and minister ya confirminga ngo sente bastera side zo kolor gutoro so nkabe nimbashaba bagiro gumisereza then hona we minister na member of parliament hamwe na system ya hamwe executive as they work it out ngura burgo tutabakora so mugiro gumisereza asa minister yakora izoba yarebuze byanyu kandi na government yamenye bizu byanyu so mugiro gumisereza ahandi nimba mzangu mbara site turede aba president Museveni kandi turede na wa PRU because PRU na NRM n'ikintu kimwe toka butanisa no mwana no mugusama mwana we bari munonga
ninsima habwizoberi kurango minister izo mwanyogu yakurura mukoro wo kwigura conference no kutayira hotel na ba customer wa parafatanite umwanyogu nka director na guhereza yo kare abo kugira ngo abantu bari kucicira mu ba PRU n'abayenarayemu buri free of charge nabahereza na conference ahiguru ngumana bija bakaganiriramu abo kuba ebinte bitubikozere mu butware wa president Yoweri Museveni naho tino kumusupportinga ahabo kuba nito batsupportingire ahabwa security nungi muntu nokorese nsuma bakatekoza banka bataho umuntu okwari kubasa kutambura kenda bweno buno bwo buceme kwa paying back government abo kugira ngo itwatireho kandi ni insima ba customer abanyani bitu kureba ngo mwaba muryo mu mwanya wo n'umukorera me bintebe kwiso mukore kitinisa turi kuganira tukahaburana twiyahuza business mwe bari munonga ni insima umugenyi mukuru uterezo bwirakija umwanya wo akasibamu akabugana mu business communities akabugana mu customer bitu akahurira bitekateko by'abanya Uganda mwene ibintu byo tubirentenda nsima president Yoweri Museveni okumutera umurimo kandi umurumogu amazima garugo office bamuhire ya yusa birachemerire abo kwa bera mu Brazil murunzi
bari nyambara mu ino hagize bwageno buri buto muri mbara
tino bwinshi itobanyambarara ivyo nizo parties tukagera movement na PRU cyo kureba nahereza yo conference zanje ngo aba PRU bonka nibone kwera busha kuguma mu bijari bacicira hampa mwe bari munongo
all the best guys.
Selecta, kuluta ningale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.